Hi viewers, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today I came with a very important topic, rational numbers. This is 8th class topic. So let us learn about the introduction of rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, p and q are integers, q not equal to 0 is called rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers is denoted by letter q. Rational numbers may be positive, negative and 0. See, the set of rational numbers 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, 0, 45, minus 3 by 4, 0 by 2 and so on. Observe these rational numbers here, positive rational numbers and whole numbers, natural numbers, all together rational numbers. Okay, so here positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers means here in the form of p by q, here p is called numerator and q is called denominator. Okay, here positive rational numbers means the numerator and denominator either positive or negative. So for example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, next minus 4 by minus 5, minus 9 by minus 5. See, observe here in these two rational numbers and these two rational numbers, here both are positive. Numerator and denominator both are positive. Here both are negative. Means the positive rational numbers means numerator and denominators are either positive or negative. And next one, negative rational numbers. For example, negative rational numbers means numerator and denominator having opposite sign. Means here minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 plus 4 by minus 5. Observe here in these two rational numbers, here numerator having minus and denominator plus. Numerator is plus, denominator is minus. Means numerator and denominator have opposite sign. These are negative rational numbers. Okay, next one is 0. 0, it can be, 0 is a integer. Okay, it can be written in the form, see, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 7 and so on, like that you have to write. But here 0 is divided by any number, the result is 0. But division by 0 is not defined. This is very important point. Okay, and next one is addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. Additional rational numbers we have two types. See, two types you are observing. Type 1, here any rational numbers having same denominator and different denominators. Okay, same denominator means we have to do directly add their numerators. Okay, but different denominators means find their LCM. Okay, first for example, in first case 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Observe here in these two rational numbers having same denominator. Yes or no? Same denominator means directly have to add their numerators. Means here 3 plus 5 equal to 8 by 4. Right? And these are same denominator. But different denominators means, see for example, 3 by 2 and 5 by 4, 7 by 8. Observe here in these rational numbers different denominators. Means what we should do? We have to find their LCM of denominators. So 2, 4, 8. LCM of their denominators are, here 2 table is possible in 3 numbers, 1 time. Here is 2 times, here 4 times. Again 2 table 1 time, already 1 time. So next here is 1 time, in 4 2 times. Again 2 table 1 time. So that 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So their LCM is equal to 8. Okay, now add the rational numbers 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 8 is equal to, what is their LCM? 8. So now 2 table. 2 is how many times in 8? 4 times. So 4 is multiplied with their numerator 3. 3 4s are 12. Directly I am writing here. Next one. 4 is in 8 2 times. So 2 is multiplied with their numerator 5 2. 2 5s are 10. Plus next 8 is in 8 1 time, so 1 is multiplied with their numerator 7 ones are 7. That is equal to, add their here numerators 10 plus 10 20 plus 2 22 and 7 29 by 8. Okay, this is addition of rational numbers. One type is same denominator and another type different denominator. Different denominators means find their LCM, but the same denominator directly you have to add their numerators, right? Okay. Next one is properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational number, first one is closure law. Right? So in properties of rational numbers, first before going to properties of rational number, once you revise integers properties. Okay, so here now we are explaining about closure law in addition part, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So each law it has addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in closure law we have to learn about these operations 4. Okay, so first one, addition. Addition means here any rational number a by b and c by d, their sum a by b plus c by d is also rational number. That is the condition, right? So for example 3 by 2 and 5 by 4, two rational numbers. So what is the condition here? A by b plus c by d. Sorry, c by d. That is equal 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4. Here different denominator. Different denominator means find their LCM. Yes or no? So 2 4 LCM is 2 one time, here 2 times, again 2 table, here 1, here 1, means 4. 4 is the LCM, so 2 table in 4 2 times, again 2 is multiplied with their numerator 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 table in 1 time, so again 1 is multiplied with the numerator 5. 5 ones are 5. That is equal 11 by 4. So 11 is also a rational number, you know, means here a by b and c by d, means 3 by 2 and 5 by 4 are two rational number. Their sum is also rational number. Means for all a by b and c by d belongs to q and a by b plus c by d is belongs to q. Means two rational numbers a by b and c by d, two rational numbers. 2 are rational numbers, their sum is also a rational number. So that rational numbers are closed under addition. And the next one, subtraction. Subtraction means here also for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d. So subtraction means minus, you know, so that a by b minus c by d. This is the condition. Okay, for example 3 by 4 and 4 by 5, two rational numbers. Okay, what is the condition? A by b. A by b means 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. Here also different denominators, no common divisor. Means 4 5s are 20. 20 is their LCM. So 4 is 5 times in 20. So 5 is multiplied with their numerator 3. So 3 5s are 15 minus 5 is 4 times in 20. So 4 is multiplied with the numerator 4. 4 4s are 16. That is equal 15 minus 60 minus 1 by 20. Means A by B and C by D, two rational numbers, their difference is also a rational number. So that for all A by B and C by D is belongs to Q, and A by B minus C by D belongs to Q. Means A by B and C by D are two rational numbers. Their difference is also a rational number. So that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Next one is multiplication. Multiplication. So for any two rational numbers A by B and C by D, A by B into C by D is also a rational number. That you have to prove. Yes or no? So that for any two rational numbers, 3 by 5 and 6 by 8 or 6 by 8. These two are rational numbers, yes or no? So here what is the condition? A by B into C by D, right? So 3 by 5 into 6 by 8. That is equal to, into means when you are doing multiplication, here multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. So that 3 6 are 18 and 5 8s are 40. Means here 3 by 5 and 6 by 8, two rational numbers, their product is also a rational number. Therefore for all A by B, C by D is belongs to Q, and A by B plus C by D is belongs to Q. Means A by B and C by D, two rational numbers, their product is also a rational number, right? And next one, so that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Next one, division. For example, here also A by B and C by D, two rational numbers. A by B is divided by C by D. This is the condition. Okay. For example, 2 by 8 and 4 by 5. Two rational numbers. Okay. What is the condition? A by B. A by B means 2 by 8 is divided by 4 by 5. Observe here division. Division means here division is convert into multiplicative sign. Division sign here convert into multiplication sign. Their fraction is reciprocal. Means C. Right? 2 by 8. Division sign convert into multiplicative sign, fraction is reciprocal. Means 5 by 4. Observe here again, here division sign, when you are doing division sign is convert into multiplicative sign, fraction is reciprocal. Okay, so that is equal. Now multiplication means what we have to do now? Here multiply the numerators and multiply their denominators. So that 5 2s are 10 and 8 4s are 32. Okay, means here division is also under closure property, right? So here in rational numbers closure law, four fundamentals operations are completed. Friends, this is very important chapter, rational numbers. Okay, and once again happy Teachers Day for all viewers. Thank you so much.